In this video, we will see how to batch watermark photos in Photoshop. First, let's open an image in Photoshop. Next, go to Windows tab and then select Actions tab. Here, create a new folder and name it something like Watermark Image. Next, create a new action and name it something like Brand, and next click Record. Now it is recording everything we do in Photoshop. So to add a watermark image, click File and next click Place or Place Embedded and choose the watermark file. Next, go to File as Save As and you can save it anywhere, either your desktop or a folder in your main drive. Next, choose a quality that you feel appropriate and click OK. Now click the Stop button on Actions panel. Now let automate the action. Go to File, select Automate and click Batch. Here in this batch window, see if the default set folder and actions are selected. Next here you can select files and enter folder. Here let me select the entire image folder. Next click the options, suppress file, open options dialogs and color profile warnings. We need to select a destination folder here for the resized images, or you can create a new folder. Next, set the parameters for the file name here, like the document name plus any other text like the size or just the extension. Finally, click on and your batch images in this process. Once completed, we can head image folder to view the image files. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment and share my videos if you like them. And do not forget to click the bell icon to get video updates notified. Thank you.